How to download and use Git in Visual Studio Code. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and use Git in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to any of the search engine and type in download Git, and then you gotta click on this downloads over here. Once you do so, you gotta select your operating system if you're using macOS, Windows, Linux, or Unix. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows, and then you gotta select your Windows type. For example, if you're using 64 setup or ARM64 setup. If you wanna know which one you're using, you can open any of the file, go to this PC, right click on it, click on properties, and then you can simply know from here. So once you know which one you're using, you can simply download that one. And after that, once it's downloaded, you can simply follow the wizard in order to install it in your computer. Next, what you're going to do is go to the search bar and type in git bash and just click on git bash. You'll be able to see an interface like this. So you're going to type in git status over here, press enter, and you'll be able to see something like this. Next thing that you need to do is you can type in git GUI, and this is basically an application again, and you can create a repository, or you can clone any existing repository, or you can open one. And now the next thing you got to do is open Visual Studio Code, and you can simply restart Visual Studio Code. You can click on this source control over here, and you'll be able to see initialize repository over here. So you can simply initialize repository using Git now on Visual Studio Code. So that is basically how you can install and use Git in VS Code. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.